Yes. What me hear them a say on the internet. What them a say? The war for go on right now between Masicka and Alkaline. Yo, nation people, me nah say no war enough for go on, you know. But you see to home, I see some man a run on the internet and a go on. I see them are real drug strap sniffers. But here what go on now. Me start me think that way, yeah. The war go start. Somebody have to die. Like a blood clot private jet, so them brain a fly. 10 star. Circle them ends and knock it pon them. Circle them ends and knock it pon them. Me a empty the matic pon them. Them boy they can't diss me a chichi on them. Pussy violate this me kill yo. Bust them a kill level me gunshot drill yo. Burn a fly head a walk me like window. Boy dead body drop a gun a dance limbo. Them boy they make girl fuck them with dildo. Watch. Hear me man. The general you know. The 10 star wanna represent. Hear me nation people. You don't know how I represent already you know. Real way, Gaza way, there ain't no other way. First, I want to say, big up Gaza Shotty, every time. Big up Lucas Steamy, a thing called AKA Steamer. Big up the Albany baller them. And big up one of the wickedest barber from off of Flatbush, Clarendon. Blue, big up yourself. Trini Posse large up. A 10 star the general I represent. You me I say right about now. Me see the man them out forget bias with this war business, you know. But me break down something too now. And me I go tell you something. We already know already and not play a blind eye to it. Cause some fix things, you know. Hear me I say. Right now, you know. Masicka dey on the hype. It's time I'm career right now. Hands down. No argument not about that. You see what I say? Are the most demands him ever from him do music. Till all you see say him get signed. You see what I deal with? And that another gimmicks thing. Zin? So Skeng go off a Masicka, Zin? A Masicka no look upon him. Then, I remember I said, the way us can go off a Masicka, you know. Him go off a Masicka with the gimmicks thing, the same thing like what Alkaline do. Him go a caffeine style Alkaline take way. When him go to the swamp or a river, wherever him want to call it. You see what I say? A Skeng first we see do that. But Skeng not only do that. Skeng come out in a song and violate Masicka and show him say, well then yo, you wanna joke shit. A war thing me a deal with. Masicka avoid that. You see what I say? No. When say Alkaline, I do the same look of shading thing. And then now forward out and go for Masicka directly. I see every man on the internet a go like a Masicka them want blame for a war or Beanie Man. You think if them want war not care 1, 2, 3, 4 fuck what Beanie Man want chat say on the internet, you think that can stop the man them from war? You want me show you something, you know, my brother. I not say no war enough to go on, you know, because I not kill no vlogger food, you know, that I don't know gimmicks business, you know. All vlogger for eat food. Me say that, no gimmicks thing not there about that. You see me I say from you put in the work on YouTube, me no respond to what you do because internet. You see me I say and it make for them purpose, because that me see I go on pan it. You see me I say? But here what me I say right now. If you know Bumbuckler tell Alkaline say yo, go direct off of the man, you know. For a war you want, you know, because right now the man in a bigger demands than you, you know. Remember when Alkaline in the biggest demands in his career, you know. When Masicka them go and find him, tell what Winford said the man then little bit in my brother. I ain't no look on the man them, you know. He say I build him career, you know, my brother. You don't forget that, you know. So I don't want to run out for a Masicka and a lollipop way and I go like say the man thing or some joke thing. It's okay when certain man whole level scared. But it's not okay for him. You see what I say? Remember that guy, there's a guy, you know. We go up on stage, you know, and tell on stage, you know. Say the dog thing a little bit, you know. Don't forget that, you know. You see what I say? So right now the dog in a demands, you know. If the dog not answer him, look a fool thing them where him do and a throat shit and them shit there, you know, a joke thing you know go on with, you know. Because you not tell the man go direct off of the man, my brother. Call the man name, do something where you know say direct him you deal with my brother lyrically. If I war you want war him. You see what I say? Make we see it plain, my brother. No go around no corner business, no gimmicks business. If you're a gunman, you don't deal with things like that, my brother. You see what I say? You don't want to see how Vibes Cartel and how to deal with it. You see the man that mean a lollipop thing? Eh? And first thing, let me tell you this, you know. If Masicka and Alkaline for going on war, you know. I don't know, internet war I want to see, you know. Because every war we forward on the internet, you know, fuck it up, you know. You know, same one, you know. We're calling ourselves blogger, you know. Fuck it up, you know, go up on a program and be people call in and fuck up the people them war, you know. Some man we are not blood clot artists. Some man we never clash nobody yet in a dance hall, not even on the street or the corner to blood clot. And them want to tell the artists them what them supposed to do in a war. You ever see nothing like that? I be a ridiculous people me see on the blood clot internet. I want to have the loudest voice from calling program and then shit there. And then I discuss this and I discuss that. You never blood clot been into a lyrical warrior? You know artist, my brother? You never manage an artist before? So how the fuck you want to come and tell the artist then? We have how much blood clot it's some what for blood clot though. I want to know an artist. Yo, you sit down and bumbo clot be a fan, my brother. You hear that? You know, sit down and be a fan and stop being some fan boy or fan girl, my brother. Sit down and be a fan and enjoy your blood clot artist go to work, my brother. And cut on a lollipop thing out, because be a fuck with me soon and go on with. So, the way how me soon deal with war on the internet, you know. And now the man then now square off on a stage, you know. This shit don't make no sense, you know. And on a stage thing, the man them a square off, man. This no make no bumbuckler sense, because the same fucker go on the internet, my brother. Because when war go on, everybody becomes blood clot, war umpire, or war coach, you see me, war referee. You see what I say? Them get all these professionals for tell blood clot, real artists, with real hit song. What for blood clot though in a music? You see what I say? And none of them never ever do a blood clot song before. We release for all social media platforms. None of them never clash nobody before. Not on the street, not the blood clot ring, not on no stage, nowhere at all, my brother. I have the most blood clot mode for I tell artists what to do. Yo, them shit will piss me the fuck off, dog. Time I just listen to one, dog. You see what I say? And I wonder what the fuck do you know what I mean? Why you not be who you is, my brother? You know, at the end of the day, you know, you're not an artist, you know, brother. You is a fan, you know. Be who the fuck you is. Enjoy what your blood clot artists do and cheer for your artists and come out of the people them bumper ass clot war. You see what I say? Because none of you know nothing about blood clot dancer. You see what I say? Because if I saw now attack it, look how dancehall come to now. Look how dancehall come to now. A man now attack a man bumper clot lyrically, personally. A man a throw some little shit. A man must go out and swamp. And all of a sudden, this man supposed to drop a this song for you. Because him go out and swamp, or because him go out and river, this man supposed to drop a this song for him. Yo, are the most ridiculous thing me ever bumper ass clear. Yo, yo, the nerve of some people. Eh? The nerve of some people. Yo, no real ridiculous, my brother. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. No lollipop thing not dead about it. Get on yourself together, man. Me know you no want a war, you know. Don't matter believe through your ear me attack, you think me no want a war, you know. But me no want a lollipop war, you know. Because them two man there, you know. Remember, you know, in them upcoming of them career, you know. It's on go through Alkaline Bus big before Masicka, you know. But them did up there like that, you know, as young sensation a come a dance all, you know. And don't get me wrong, you know, me nah tell you say Alkaline are no good artist, you know. But me I tell you, say Masicka there in more demands than him right now. So if him want a clash from Masicka, it only right for him come out and diss him outright. Yes, what I say, and stop the lollipop thing. And honor the fans too, for stop the blood clot lollipop thing. Man can't go a swamp go blood clot post like a fellow with them in and then you tell the next man to do this song for him. Why when him go to the swamp, he never do a this song there so? And say I kill him or kill the crooks then. Yo, the general, you know, the 10-star one. You know how me represent already. A Gaza way they ain't no other way. Hear me now, man? Don't watch your color, you know. Because them can't punk it. Hear what me I say. Them for know. When you talk about lyrical war in a dance hall, it's an enjoyable sport. To the way all these people up on the internet make all the artists there afraid for war. You see what I say? Yeah, because no gimmicks bomber ass cloth thing. No lollipop thing, but anyway. Oh.